Hi, Edward Vinagre here, and I'm going to talk about A drums. Okay, so A drums, it's a drum machine totally synthesized. These are not wave samples, these are synthesized drums. And to choose the drum, you click on the pad, then you choose the drum. This one is the kick. Okay. If it's slot B, you have a snare, a clap, and a rim shot, so you select the ones you want to use. For example, now I have my kick, and there are the patterns here. To listen to the pattern of the kick, you have to, of the kick and the other drums, you have to plug it using this button, and then click play. Okay, so now the pattern of the kick is active. Okay, so the clock is set to T1, so if I press play on my DAW, the sequencer starts right away. Okay, but you can use the mode set to gate, and the pattern only starts when you press play on your MIDI keyboard. Okay, so the key that defines which pattern to play is the key right here where it says MIDI keys channel. You have the note low and the note high. This defines the key that will play the sequencer when the clock mode is set to gate. When the clock mode is set to T-run, the sequencers run to an internal through the internal clock of your DAW. Okay, you also have the sync control that syncs the sequencers according to the bars you choose here. So if you choose 4 bars, in each 4 bar cycle, the patterns or the sequencers start from step 0. Okay, you have the stutter that you can connect. I will connect it to slot A, okay, to the kick, and I will put the speed a little faster, and now I'm going to press stutter, and the sound will stutter. Okay, so you can send this stutter to A, B, C, and D. You have a randomized control that is awesome. This randomized control will random the entire drum, all of them at the same time. So to use the randomize button, you have to have this R and D on. Okay, this is the randomize button. This must be on so this one can work. Okay, as you can see, you can also randomize the effects using this right here. I say R and D effects on. You click on this, and now the effects are also randomized when you randomize the full synth or the full drum machine. Okay, if you do not use this button, the effects are not randomized, and if you do not use this button, nothing is randomized on the drum. Okay, so you have the randomized style, soft mode that will play soft beats, medium mode for medium beats, and hard mode for hard beats, and all mixed up. Well, they are all mixed up. You also have a limiter and an undo button for the randomizing. As you can see, it randomizes back. Okay. 3 ways to work with A drums. One I already show you, the gate. The other one is the transport run. Now we set transport run. I click play, and the drums start. Okay, and the other one is like you can do the old style with the MIDI item item, and put the notes right here. Let's see if I can put this to work. Okay. As a matter of fact, this must be gate for the notes like this. The clock must be set to gate. Okay, so it will play. Okay, one thing, if you do this, having two notes without a gap between them, it will play only one note. To play the two notes, you have to leave a gap between the notes. Okay. Okay, so another thing is these joysticks right here. In each drum, they do a different task. For example, in the tom, if you have the tom working, I'm going to put the tom working. Okay. Sorry. Now I have to put this into T-run because this take is for the kick. Okay, so so this is one joystick working for the tom. It's not much, but yeah, it creates some motion in the drum itself. You can use this to record live takes, meaning you can record and create these automations with the joysticks. Okay, so basically starting to work with a drums is simple. You just have to do the following. Load a drums. If you want to add the extra channels, I would say no. Okay. I will now activate the patterns. Let's see how this sounds. Okay, randomize the sound. Okay, so now I'm going to randomize a little bit so you can be aware of what this does. Okay, so now you can also choose a kit: softer beats 16 kits, mid beats 16 kits, harder beats 16 kits. Okay, so let's select the softer beat kit 9. Let's randomize this one. This is simple, soft beats. Okay, let's try some medium beats. So as you can see, you can change your drums very quickly. You have the randomize button, that is awesome. It creates a lot of good things. Depends also creates bad because it's randomized. Okay, it's not the AI, it's not super smart. This is just a randomized control that creates randomized according to the style. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you next time.